Hello, pups. Hi, puppies. Hi, so hi, Mowgli. Hi, doggies. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Had a great breakfast with my family this morning. And I was a little fussy, so...
Your navigation's still on.
Is it?
Yeah, I just heard her talk.
Oh. But we all opened our presents. Cheryl and Dad love their home minis and their LifeX colored lights. Wi-Fi lights.
Your brother was super excited about his container store gift card.
Yeah.
I told you it was going to be a good
Yeah, she was right. He's like, did you tell them that
I needed to be more organized?
And Lauren's like, no,
Nobody
everyone just
tell you.
knows that. So now that we're done with lunch, I guess it was, we came down to Seaport Village to meet up with her mom and Kyle and Katya and Davin.
My mom wants to walk. We gallivant as a family.
Shop.
Bonding. We shop. So my mom wants to go walk around. If the malls were open, my mom would be at the mall right now.
Yeah, but nothing in the mall is open, so Seaport Village. And then we try to get as much sleep as we possibly can tonight.
I'll be in Disneyland.
Disneyland tomorrow.
I really want turkey leg with all the mustard. It's coming up. I'm excited for Disneyland. I'm excited for some time for us.
Also, I actually did get to do the chai this time. It was pretty damn good, I gotta say. So it's brewed chai tea, 3/4 water, 1/4
that is good.
1/4 heavy cream steamed, 4 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce, and then 2 packets of stevia that I added afterwards. It's pretty damn good. I mean, it's not a chai latte or anything like that, but it's